Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we embark on a comprehensive exploration of the 7 most promising penny stocks that present compelling investment opportunities for the discerning investor in the upcoming year of 2024. Through an in-depth analysis, we will unravel the intricacies of these potential gems, shedding light on the factors that make them stand out in the dynamic financial landscape. So before we start, we kindly ask that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Also, get up to 15 free stocks to add to your investment portfolio from Moomoo when you take the bold step to open and fund a brokerage account. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer that could supercharge your investment journey. Click on the link in our description to dive into the details, seize your chance, and claim your free stocks. The time to empower your portfolio is now. Let's get started. In the dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of the stock market, the year 2023 left investors grappling with a prevailing risk-off sentiment. Unprofitable companies bore the brunt of this cautious approach, with many struggling to gain traction. However, as the calendar turned to November, a palpable shift occurred, fueled in part by the Federal Reserve's adoption of a more flexible stance. This change in sentiment has sparked renewed interest in the often overlooked realm of penny stocks. Seizing opportunities amid market shifts. In the intricate dance of market dynamics, penny stocks, comprising small and micro-cap companies, are emerging as potential leaders. Historically, small-cap stocks have been known to take the reins in bull markets, providing savvy investors with unique opportunities. This video aims to delve deeper into this intriguing corner of the market, exploring the 7 penny stocks poised for growth in 2024. Let's review our list. Number 7. Compass Incorporated, ticker, COMP. Compass is a real estate technology company that operates in the United States. It was founded in 2012 by Ori Alon and Robert Rifkin. Compass distinguishes itself by combining traditional real estate services with cutting-edge technology. The company provides an integrated platform for real estate agents, offering tools and resources to streamline their workflow and enhance their ability to serve clients effectively. Compass is one of the top penny stocks to buy and hold, according to hedge funds. Out of the 910 funds tracked by Insider Monkey, 26 hedge funds had stakes in Compass. Deutsche Bank recently started covering Compass shares with a hold rating. The bank believes Compass Incorporated is expected to be a beneficiary of a housing market recovery and premium valuation, and the overhang from the Sitzer-Burnett lawsuit that could disrupt broker commissions keeps some investors on the sidelines for now. Number 6. Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings Incorporated, ticker, CCO. Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings Incorporated is a global outdoor advertising company. Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings shares have gained about 60% year-to-date. The Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings stock recently jumped after billionaire Arturo Moreno reported a 6.8% stake in the out-of-home advertising company. As of the end of the third quarter of 2023, 31 hedge funds had stakes in Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings. Number 5. Open Door Technologies Incorporated, ticker, OPEN. Real estate platform company Open Door Technologies Incorporated ranks 5th on our list of the best penny stocks to buy in 2024. Open Door Technologies is an online company that buys and sells residential real estate. It's the largest cash offer company player in the iBuying space. The stock has gained a whopping 232% year-to-date through December 9th. Open Door Technologies Incorporated is expected to achieve a free cash flow break-even milestone by the first half of 2024. A total of 25 hedge funds in Insider Monkey's database had stakes in Open Door Technologies as of the end of the third quarter of 2023. Last month, Open Door Technologies posted Q3 results. Revenue totaled $980 million, missing estimates by $30 million. Number 4. Nerdy Incorporated, ticker, NRDY. Online learning platform company Nerdy ranks 4th in our list of the best penny stocks to buy for 2024, according to hedge funds. Nerdy's flagship business, Varsity Tutors, is one of the nation's largest platforms for live online tutoring and classes. Its solutions are available directly to students and consumers, as well as through schools and other institutions. During the third quarter, Nerdy's revenue increased by over 26.7% year-over-year to $40.3 million. As of the end of the third quarter of 2023, 25 hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey were long Nerdy Incorporated. Number 3. Polestar Automotive, ticker, PSNY. Polestar Automotive, a Swedish luxury electric vehicle, EV, manufacturer, finds itself in the spotlight amid the challenges faced by the broader EV sector in 2023. Disappointing demand and production hurdles have cast a shadow over the industry, but Polestar's resilience shines through. Despite revising its 2023 delivery forecast downward, the company stands out by already having EVs in production. The recent launch of the Polestar 4 and plans for 2 additional models by 2026 position Polestar as a contender in the evolving EV space. While concerns about negative sentiment persist, analysts project an 86% increase in PSNY stock, underlining its potential for substantial gains. Number 2. Rocket Lab USA, ticker RKLB. Rocket Lab USA Incorporated is a publicly traded aerospace manufacturer and launch service provider that operates and launches lightweight Electron orbital rockets used to provide dedicated launch services for small satellites. Rocket Lab USA's recent success with the 42nd launch of its Electron rocket underscores the company's commitment to a robust launch schedule. Despite a sell-off following this achievement, Rocket Lab has its sights set on 2024 for a potentially game-changing event, the launch of its Neutron reusable rocket. Unlike many competitors, Rocket Lab is already executing launches, providing a competitive edge. The Neutron's introduction is poised to enhance Rocket Lab's position in the market for smaller payloads, enabling it to compete more effectively. In a higher interest rate environment, Rocket Lab's proactive approach positions it favorably against competitors facing increased capital costs. Number 1. Overseas Shipholding Group, ticker OSG. Overseas Shipholding Group is the operator of a fleet of 24 oil tankers and oil tug barges. Overseas Shipholding Group recently experienced a notable uptick in its stock price. Specializing in the transportation of crude oil and petroleum-related products, OSG's fortunes are closely tied to the volatility of the oil industry and geopolitical events. The attacks on shipping vessels in the Red Sea have potentially shifted the tide in OSG's favor, as longer and more expensive shipping routes could boost demand for its services. Investors considering OSG should act with agility, as the stock has shown volatility and breached the $5 mark, presenting both challenges and opportunities. Strategic approaches in uncertain markets. As we venture further into the unfolding narrative of 2024, the prospect of investing in penny stocks remains both alluring and challenging. Our investment insight into Compass Incorporated, Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings, Open Door Technologies, Nerdy Incorporated, Polestar Automotive, Rocket Lab USA, and Overseas Shipholding Group provide a glimpse into the varied opportunities and risks within this niche market. While uncertainties persist, strategic and informed decision-making will be pivotal for investors seeking to navigate the challenges and unlock substantial value in the ever-evolving landscape of penny stocks. As the year progresses, keeping a keen eye on market shifts and embracing a flexible investment approach may be the keys to successfully navigating the twists and turns that lie ahead. Don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive promotion. Get up to 15 free stocks to add to your investment portfolio from Moomoo when you take the bold step to open and fund a brokerage account. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer that could supercharge your investment journey. Click on the link in our description to dive into the details, seize your chance, and claim your free stocks. The time to empower your portfolio is now. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.